time for a look at the Denim & Company Essential So Soft Jersey 3-pack V-neck tops that I just made mention of. These are an amazing value for a top in one of the newer jerseys that we're bringing into the collection. It works out, I already did the math for you, add your shipping and handling and divide by 3, it's $25 a top. You can't find a top like this for that price. And it's not just a cotton blend, it's a cotton rayon spandex blend. So it's really so soft. It should be so soft. I think we should add a so in there. You get them brand new today.
No. These are a few of my favorite things,
right? We have the black, gray, and dark teal as a choice. Here is the navy, yellow, and rose color.
So pretty.
That's the most limited. Oh. And then Tony and I, I'm wearing the green, natural, and orchid. I keep messing up.
You do.
Tony has on the black, gray, and teal pack. But here's the thing, imagine having all 3 of these sets in your closet. You'll have something to wear every single day.
Right. And Jane, I can't even begin to tell you how excited people are when they get this fabric home. It is a new fabric for us. It's like Jane said, it's a cotton rayon spandex jersey knit, but that rayon gives it an amazing softness and feel against your skin. So what I'm finding is, and what I believe to be the case, is that this is going to become, in the not so near future, or not so far away future, not so distant future, a very major important fabric that you're going to love. People say they love the way it feels, they love the way it launders, the whole 9 yards. So it's just, it's a beautiful new jersey knit. It's got everything you love in an essential. That V-neck 3/4 sleeve top has been our most popular classic piece in the entire Denim & Company line. We've sold thousands and thousands and thousands of this silhouette. So now you get 3 in this new knit that's just amazing.
I mean, year-round, you invest in a set or 2, you've got 6 tops that you can reach for, are the building blocks for everything that you're going to do through the day. And the color palette is beautiful. You're going to need to have the black with the gray and teal. Those 3 colors are absolutely stunning. I love black as a layering piece. I love gray because we know how hot that was.
And this is such a pretty,
it's a beautiful
soft gray.
Dove gray. It's right in between. And then the teal is a color, again, that looks good on every skin tone, every hair color. The navy, yellow, and rose, I mean, this has been the most popular. That screaming like spring transition, nautical, spectator, all of the jackets and beautiful cardigans. It's like the Easter basket kind of transitional
And this is definitely a peach
rose
color. So, so just so you know.
Right. And then if you really want to get a little sassy, the green, the natural, and the orchid. This is a beautiful palette of colors too.
Let's get sassy.
Sassy.
Yeah, that lavender is going to be a big sleeper color for 2025.
Right.
I think it's going to be really important.
And it looks so good with browns and chocolate, which of course will be the Pantone color of the year. So you'll have a lot that you can wear along with this.
Yeah, you whatever you get here, whatever the budget allows. I mean, you know, try these because the response has been overwhelming to this new knit fabric. It's really good.
It's a semi-fit, so it fits nicely through the shoulders and bust line, eases through the midsection, breaks at about 4 or 5 inches below the leg on me. I'm 5'9", I'm wearing the large. Tony is 5'5", she's a little front tuck for us, and it looks great on her. She wears the medium typically. And then Miss Pam, are you in your regular 1X? Okay. And she's got on that olive. So a lot of folks picking up more than one set. This is our hot pick in the show. 4 easy pays will get this home. So you can try this fabric for only $17.75, and not just one piece, but 3 different shirts. Every day that you go into your closet, and I know it's tough at this time of year because you're, wanting things that are, beautiful, maybe have a pop of color, a little bit warm or layerable. This way you've got some new items to freshen up what you currently have, and now 300 orders placed.
Yeah, we love essentials. I mentioned this earlier, but they're just the pieces that you're going to live in, layer, wear on their own. Pam, you're seeing that's another color in that faux leather jacket coming up, which, you love that?
Yeah.
Isn't it amazing? Yeah. We should call it heavenly faux. But yeah, I mean, I call that color champagne. I think it's warm white, or I'm not sure exactly, but it's easy to layer up, and you will get so much use out of these. And I'm telling you right now, the minute you put this knit on, the softness of this jersey, the comfort, the beauty of this, you're going to be going, Gary, when are more So Soft jerseys coming in? And we do have some coming in. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know that we have. What would you like?
Can you hold that for me?
I certainly can.
I want you to see what your wardrobe could look like on any given week when you buy that one collection. This is
well, that's just perfect, isn't it?
Fabulous combination. Then maybe midweek you're looking at, well, I want something that's a little softer. So head to toe in that orchid, fabulous. And then when you want to step out in something really fun, throw that faux leather jacket over top of this outfit. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So this is why we are very deliberate and careful with the way that we choose colors. We make sure that they're colors that will coordinate with the other bottoms in the Denim & Company collection, and you can see how it makes it so easy to build a wardrobe.
Yeah. No, it's definitely easy to put outfits together, for sure. But remember, again, this is a cotton, rayon, and spandex blend. So you get stretch, you get snapback, you get softness, you get washability here, you get a classic. I mean, this V-neck 3/4 sleeve has been the single most popular silhouette we've ever done in Essentials. First time we've done the So Soft jersey in a 3-pack. Of this style. You do get that heat seal label on the back, so you don't have to worry about a label. Everything about this is brilliant.
Yeah, it is. And again, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel here. What we did was take a proven popular silhouette, one of the most popular silhouettes, and did it in a new fabric. And our team is literally sitting, pouring through these fabrics and trying to think about, well, what do we call it? It was overwhelmingly so soft. That's all you could say. I mean, when you touch this fabric, the only thing you can say about it is, oh my gosh, it is so soft. So hence that became the name in this set. You get 3 of them for $71. You can break your payments into 4 installments of $17.75. Remember, with Easy Pay, you get the whole set delivered to your door in 7 to 10 days. You can wear all 3 of them and enjoy them in your closet while paying only $17.75 over the course of 4 months. Now, 500 sets spoken for. This is your black, gray, and teal, dark teal. Here is the navy, yellow, and rose, and only 900 remaining. Like Gary said, that rose is more of a peach tone. And then here is the green, natural, and orchid, and only 950 of those. Extra, extra small through 5X. It's a top length, so it's not meant to be a tunic,
right? But
it is longer top. It gives you coverage, so if you raise your hand, if you're raising the roof on the dance floor, your belly is not exposed.
Let's get wild.
Whatever you're doing, you're going to be well covered for sure.
No, it's such a good deal. It really is. And I love when we're able to offer these sets to you because the value can be there. And remember, we don't change anything. It's the same quality, the same fabric that's if we were selling one of these on QVC.com right now. So really is a good value.
Well, continue in the process of placing your order for that. $71 for 3 of the V-neck tops in So Soft jersey. 600 orders placed in that today. We'll keep you updated on what's happening with those throughout the show. All right, but I think the sleeper in the show, not so sleepy because it's our